a strawberry. Right on. So dig this. The Mingo County Project Water Solutions. We're going to talk a little bit here about the water solutions for the Mingo County Project. We need to effectively manage the water resources for this site, which we're looking at right here, and that means working with rainfall. We want to use, first of all, we want to use small and slow solutions that require the smallest possible change. So let's think about the water holding capacity of the ground, like in this picture of a swale, water bloom underneath of it. The ground is the most efficient storage for water. Now, there's a lot of ground here, so we can store lots of water there. We just have to figure out how to access it, how to slow it down, how to tap into it. And right now I just have some pictures. I can get all these maps of the area, and the maps can tell us a lot, but at this point, you know, you have to really be on the site to figure that out, and I haven't been there yet. So but basically what we want to do is we want to look at the property. Okay, here we go, and we're going to catch water off of the greenhouses. So around the greenhouses is a place that we need to turn into beds. That's how we're going to first manage our water, around the outside. But I have other solutions. A low-cost, simple upgrade. Here in this picture you can see my pheasantry, temporary pheasantry, an old shed that I converted to keep them in, and along the top you can see this pipe, which I put up as a simple gutter solution to catch water that runs down this black tube. So I've taken this PVC pipe, and what I did is I stripped off about like the top, like 20% of it to make it open. There's this black pipe that's actually a tube off of an old vacuum. Okay, so anyway, you can see how I've cut the top of the pipe off here, and it's just held on there. You can see with screws, and it's all pipe fittings. Pretty cheap solution. Like, I think this cost me like $8. All right, and that's pretty good. It gives me a consistent water supply for the pheasants, and I don't have to really worry about it. Like, the water container is never less than half full. So these are just pictures of the fittings and stuff that I used. Really simple stuff you can pick up at most hardware stores, so it's readily available, and you know, costs, you know, each piece is like $1 or something like that. So anyway, the way it would attach here, as you can see along the sides of the greenhouse, we have a support, a horizontal support board running across it. That's where the pipe would attach to. And I believe that, okay, yeah, you can see on the inside of the greenhouse here that the board is actually on the outside of the metal hoop supports, so it is possible to do this. And that will catch quite a bit of water, which can then be channeled into containers on the interior, like in this picture where they have barrels, and that can be used to water the interior of the greenhouse. Also, here's another container that is pretty readily available here in this region. And so yeah, that's the basic water plan for our greenhouse area. I hope this is helpful.